everyone out there. In case you don't know, this is your boy Lura, Ultimate Boss, down from here, West Africa, the Gambia. One of the finest YouTubers right now you can find here in the Gambia. If you are just coming inside this channel, Ultimate Tips for YouTubers, don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button and ring the bell for all the notifications that we will be, all the videos that we will be uploading in this channel. So this one is going to be a quick one. We defa nek bu gawa comme no len ko gisee ni su nekkee ne like na ngi just click onto the channel. Maa ngi wax good morning, you know, suba si good morning, naka suba si yéen ñu nekk foofu noonu di seetaan Ultimate Tips and Tools. Tey, you know, like dañoo gàttal affaire si rek dañoo gàttal affaire si ñu ngi wax ne like it's about starting. What I'm saying is that don't wait until it is late for you to start your business or start a hobby or start a career. You have to start now, no matter what is going on with your life. You don't have to wait until it is late for you to start. Starting is now. You have to start now to achieve those dreams that you want to achieve in the future. Starting is never late. Like it is never late for you to achieve the dreams that you want to achieve in your life. The most important thing is you have to know what you are good at. You have to know what you are really good at in life and start doing that thing that you love and achieve all those dreams that you want to achieve in life. You know, sometimes in life you can just wake up and say like there is this thing that is disturbing me, there is this thing that is trying to push me down. You just have to neglect all those ups and downs and just start now. Because if you don't start now, there is no way you are gonna end up having those things that you wish for in your life. For now, you know, so many people around my environment, like when I take an example of the people that I'm living with here in my environment, I see so much ghetto youth like sitting down and saying like, dama hard, you know, small time so you know, one now, small time like hard, you know, stuff like that. You know, you'll be sitting down every day, waking up like, let them the toxic ghetto be the hard, the same thing every day. Yangi talk, you know, the hard, a dream that will never come for you. Yangi hard, lo hamantene ni, hamulone sanda dafa nyanda bindu. Like, lu gëna important si life mooy you have to start now. Danga war a start, danga war a set si loo xamante ne nii si loolu nga gën a baax, si loolu nga gën a am talent at nga just go in for that. You start, you know, you just even su nekkee ne like danga jànga métier, try nga jóg léegi nga dem nga jànga sa métier. Su nekkee ne tamit danga bugga study dara, try nga jóg nga dem nga fay that college nga study. Su nekkee ne even amuloo looy fay, try nga negotiate. Nga try nga say no negotiate with those people, those tutors, those schools. Nga stay no started. So nekkee ne tamit danga bugga nekk a musician, you have to start now. So video is all about a motivational video. Like every day so ever suba, there is something that you can do. There is something that you can start on. Yo ya ham lo buga. So nekkee ne danga bugga ew nga dem search for a job. So nekkee ne danga bugga ew nga dem, you know, just do something that you love. You just have to start doing it now. For now, I will just leave it as it is. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel. You know, click on the notification bell. We will be uploading more videos for you on this channel on motivational and inspiring messages that will come out for you. In case you don't know still, this is Lura, the Ultimate Boss, down from West Africa, one of the finest YouTubers that you can get from here now. Stay with us on this channel. We will upload more videos for you every week. Inspiring messages, motivational messages, YouTube tips and tools, Adobe Premiere tips, tutorials, all the videos that you need to get to upload and optimize your YouTube channel and your YouTube journey to make it more simple. Click on the notification bell, subscribe now, and wait for those videos that will be coming, because this is just the beginning of this channel. It's going to be educational, it's going to be cool and calm. You know, you don't have to miss none of these contents that we will be uploading here. For now, gis ngeen comme duma leen ko waxee danga war a start. Man maa ngi nii, you know, like maa ngi just eew. I'm about to get to work. You know, as you can see fii suma néeg la, so dama just eew nii sangu naa, you know, maa ngi teg suma first level, dama naan rek tap ma dem suma studio ma monte ba ngoon after ma ñibbisi guddi ma nekk fii suma néeg di liggéeyaat fii tamit si guddi. So there is no stopping. Every day so ever you have to start doing something in your life, because soo started léegi doo mun a am ëllëg te soo amul ëllëg tamit dafa naxari pour nga dunda. te soo dundul tamit soo amut ëllëg tamit dafa naari pour nga dund. You know, so you have to start believing in yourself. You start doing something now because so believe with sa boppa gëmuloo sa boppa doo musa àgga foo bëgg a dem. So it's all about starting. You have to start now.